Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw Kooky Cookie. So first, let's start off with drawing an oval on the left side and then another one on the right side. Curved lines that connect the two ovals, something like this. After that, you're going to draw two loops arm, this curved U shape for the teeth, then another U shape on top for to be the top lips, and then the full mouth for the bottom. Then draw a C shape for the nose. Then the next shape will be for the eyes, one to the right, one to the left. After that, two rectangles, one on each side, another shape for the eyebrows. Draw a wavy line connecting the leg on the right side. Next, what you want to do is draw this next line and add the in between pointy lines. Then after the same line covering the left side. Gonna draw a bunch of different circles and ovals all spread it around. Hope you guys liked this video. Please like and subscribe. Tune in till next time. Thanks for watching.